Hello, this is Dean Malone with Compass FX. Hope you're doing well today and again some good trades. Today I want to share with you a quick little trading tip regarding the Trader's Dynamic Index. Oftentimes it's overlooked, but one of the lines within the Trader's Dynamic Index does give you a reflection of what the overall market is doing, whether the overall market is trending up or trending down. Now, current price action, which is represented by the green and the red line of the Trader's Dynamic Index, has a tendency to move up and down as the market's moving up and down with current price. However, it's the market baseline, the yellow line. That's the key level because it represents the overall sentiment of the marketplace. And it trends much more smoothly than the current price action, which you can see is moving up and down. So one of the things I want to share with you is if you'll watch the progression of the market baseline, you might actually get a fair idea as to where the market's going and how current price action is moving in relationship to the current overall trend of the market. For instance, we can see here that the current market attempted to make a move down, bounced, moved down, bounced off the market baseline, and then pushed on through for a moment and then pushed higher, back up in the direction of the overall market baseline. You can see it moving to the upside here, as if I literally put a trend line right up along the lows of the market baseline. The market seemed to follow it, even though at times current price action was attempting to fall. Now, some would say, well, Dean, up here it looks like the market was holding pretty much a support line. And true, it looks like up here there is a support line right in this area. But the interesting thing below is you can see how the market baseline kept moving up and up and up. So one thing I want to share with you today is to follow the higher lows or the lower highs of the market baseline. For instance, taking a look at the pound dollar here, you can see we had a pretty good move down, and we're in this up and down chop right now, and it looks like it wants to move higher. And current price action has moved up higher, but really price action in of itself hasn't. So we see sentiment, current price action sentiment moving up, price action sort of moving up, but look at the market baseline. I have a high point here that's rolled over, dipped a little bit, another high point, and I could literally draw a trend line from this top across this top. We're still in a downward move based upon the market baseline. So my thinking is we get a potential turn and see this price action roll back down towards the market baseline and maybe even lower. Let's take a look over at the euro dollar. The euro dollar here, as you can see, similar situation. You can see the differences between current price action and what the overall trend of the market's attempting to do. Here the market's moving up. You can see the yellow line coming up right here. Current price action drops, hits it again, bounces above it. A lot of up and down movement. Today it looked like we were about to roll over here, but it pushed higher. Fact of the matter is the market baseline, if I really look at it, you can see what it's doing here. Now, at times what we're wanting to do with the market baseline is actually just keep our eye. Does it start to flatten out like it's doing right up here? If it starts to flatten out, we're going to look for it to break here. Before it actually breaks, most likely current price action is going to fall over and break it. Now, this could be done on any time frame, as little as a 1 minute to a 1 month chart. So let me show you like on an hourly chart here. Just taking a look, you can see here how the market played itself out following the market baseline. We have a move up, more or less, then the market starts to flatten out right along in here. And then we have a situation where now it adjusts and we make a move back down. Now this is pretty easy here to see. Market baseline's getting challenged a little bit right here, and we're down pretty low. Look for when the market baseline gets down below 32 on a 4-hour or daily chart. Start looking for price action to turn and look for a reversal in the marketplace. But you can see what I'm driving at here. The market attempted to go down, attempted to go down, attempted to go down up here, but still it was based upon where the overall trend of the market's going. So be aware of that. So at times what I look for is I'll look for the market to come back towards the market baseline. If it can't seem to close and hold below, you can see a pin low here, a pin low there. You see how it pinned low right there and then moved right back up? If it can't seem to hold that, look for a move back in the direction of the overall trend. And that's following the market baseline. Well, I hope some of the information I shared with you in this video will help you in your trading. If you're using that Trader's Dynamic Index, consider the yellow line, the market baseline. If you have higher lows or lower highs, look for a possibility of the market to retrace back towards the market baseline and bounce off of it. And also consider when the market's range bound, look at the market baseline and compared with what price action is doing. Price action is up and down this range. Market baseline trending down. There's a pretty good chance that we'll see current price action turn over, challenge the market baseline, and may continue to follow the trend line as it approaches the 32 level. Well, folks, this is Dean Malone with CompStuffX. Y'all make it a good day. Get some good trades. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.